हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ऑफ SEA सरस्वती इंग्लिश एकेडमी भाद्रजून जालौर। ये मैं आप लोगों के लिए क्लास 7th का सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स का एक्सरसाइज 2.1 का सेकंड वीडियो है ना। वीडियो नंबर 2 है ये आपका, और क्वेश्चन नंबर है यहाँ पे आपके 5th। 4th क्वेश्चन तक मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में आपके कंप्लीट कर दिए थे। और क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th इज व्हाट, फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ find the perimeter of find the perimeter of number first is triangle ABE, and number second is what, number second is the rectangle BCD and E. Okay, in this figure whose perimeter is greater? In this figure I am just drawing the figure. In this figure whose perimeter is greater? In this figure whose perimeter is greater? Okay, whose perimeter is greater? Now what we will see is B, this is B, this is C, this is D, that's E. This is 7 by 6 centimeter, and this is 2 hole 3 by 4 centimeter, and here a triangle is given whose first vertex is A, and length of other sides is 5/2 centimeter and 3 hole 3/5 centimeter. Okay, just note down this one. After that I will start solving this. Okay. So here question number 5th is find the perimeter of number first is triangle ABE. This is our triangle ABE whose perimeter we have to find out now. Okay, so here we are seeing this is our triangle ABE whose perimeter we have to find out now, and second one is what, the rectangle BCDE. In this figure whose perimeter is greater? This of this triangle or of this rectangle? Okay, so first we will calculate the perimeter of this triangle which is ABE. Okay, so our first part is perimeter of triangle ABE. So perimeter of triangle ABE is what? This is our triangle ABE whose perimeter is AB plus BE plus EA. AB plus BE plus EA. AB plus BE plus EA. Okay, so what is our AB? Our AB is 5/2 centimeter. Our AB is 5/2 centimeter plus what is our BE? BE is 2 hole 3/4 centimeter plus our EA is 3 hole 3/5 centimeter. 3 whole 3 by 5 centimeter. Okay, now this is equals to 5 upon 2 plus 4 multiplied with 2 is 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3 is what? 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 upon this is 11. 11 this is 11. 11 upon 4. Okay, now what we'll do is this is 5 upon 2, this is 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3 is 8 plus 3 is 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 upon 4 plus 5 3 is a 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. This is 18 upon 5. Okay, now we will see is what. Now we have to take LCM of 2 4 5. LCM of 2 4 and 5. So LCM of 2 4 and 5 is what? This is 2 4 and this is 5. Okay, so what we'll do is now what we'll do is LCM of 2 4 and 5. Now we have to take the LCM of 2 4 and 5. So we will choose a number by which one of the numbers in these three numbers should be divisible. So we will divide by 2. 2 1s are 2. This is 2 2s are 4. Now this is 5. Okay, after that we will again divide by 2. 2 this is 2 1s are 2. This is 5. Now we will divide by 5. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. Okay, here these numbers, after multiplying these numbers we will get the LCM. Okay, so LCM is what? LCM is 2 into 2 into 5. 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. This is equals to 20. Our LCM is 20. So we will write 20 over here. Now we will divide 20 by 2. What we will get is when 20 is divided by 2, then what we will get is 2 10 are 20. We will get 10. Now we will multiply 10 by 5. Then what we will get is 5 10 are 50. So here we will get our 50 plus when 20 is divided by when our 20 is divided by 4, then what we will get is 5. 4 5s are 20. 5 multiplied with 11, what we will get is 55. Now plus when our 20 divided by 5, then what we will get 5 4s are 20 and 4 multiplied with 18 is 18 2s are 36 and 36 2s are 72. 18 4s are 72. Now when we will add these three, what we will get is 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 plus 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17 divided by 20. So here this is equals to 177 upon 20. This is equals to 177 upon 20. Okay, perimeter of triangle ABE is 177 upon 20. So this was our part first of our question. Okay, now we will go for solving our part second of the question, which is part second of question is what? The rectangle BCDE. Okay, perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. So here we are seeing these two sides are repeating, so we have to multiply by 2. We have to whenever we will take the perimeter of this rectangle or any rectangle, then our formula will be 2 perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is what? Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 multiplied with L plus B. Okay, so this is 2 multiplied with RL is what? RL is length is BE, which is 2 whole 3 by 4. So this is 2 whole 3 by 4 added by RB, which is 7 by 6. Okay, which is 7 by 6. This is equals to 2 multiplied with 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 plus 3 is 11 upon 4 plus which this is 6 7 upon 6. Okay, now this is 2 multiplied with 4 and 6. We will take LCM of 4 and 6, which is 12. Okay, when we will divide 12 by 4, what we will get is 3. 3 is multiplied by 11 is 11 3s are 33 plus whenever 12 is divided by 6, we will get 2. 2 is multiplied by 7, we will get 14. Okay, now 2 6 are 12 and 33 plus 14 is what? 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 4, okay, upon 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 plus 3 is 7, 1 plus 3 is 4 upon 6, okay, 6. So our perimeter is what? Perimeter is 47 upon 6, okay, and here our perimeter is 177 upon 20. First one is this one, which is 177 upon 20, and our second one is what? Second one is this one, which is 47 upon 6, okay. Now we will take these two, we will go by taking these two. First one is 177 upon 20, second one is 47 upon 6. Now our third part of the problem is, or in the second part some extension is there, and extended question is what? The rectangle BCD in this figure, and extended part is what? Whose perimeter is greater? We have to tell that which number is greater, either the perimeter of this triangle, which is 177 upon 20, or the perimeter of rectangle, which is 47 upon 6, okay. So we will compare these two over here, okay. 46 upon 47 upon 6 and 177 upon what? 20, okay. Now we will take LCM of 20 and 6, which is what? 60, okay. You would take LCM, you will easily get the value of LCM, because in your earlier classes you have studied, or you have practiced a number of questions based on LCM and HCF, okay. So now when 60 is divided by 6, we will get 10 multiplied with 47, this is 470. Now for 60 multiplied by 20, we will get 3 multiplied by 177, 3 7 are 21, 2 carry, 3 7 are 21, 21 plus 2 is 23, again 2 carry, 3 1 are 3 and 2 is 5. Which number is greater? Here we are seeing this number is greater, which is 531. 531 associates with our this one, hence our area of perimeter of our triangle, which is 177 upon 20, is greater than the perimeter of our rectangle. So our final answer is perimeter of triangle is greater, okay. I hope you all got it. Now I am just now we will start our question number 6th. So before going towards our question number 6, let me rub this one for freeing up some space. Okay, so our question number 6 is what? Question number 6 is Sahil wants to put a picture in a frame. Question number 6 is Sahil wants to put a picture in a frame. Sahil wants to put a picture in a frame. This picture is 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter wide. The picture is number question of 6th is what? Sahil wants to put a picture in a frame. Sahil wants to put a picture in a frame. This picture is 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter wide. This picture is 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter wide. Okay, now what we will see is Sahil wants to put a picture in a frame. This picture is 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter wide. This picture is 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than. The picture to fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than. The picture cannot be. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter wide. More than 7 whole 3 by 10 centimeter wide. 7 whole 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? 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 Okay, trimmed means कितना छोटा किया जाए आसपास से उसको, है ना, चारों तरफ से. Okay, now we will see how much should the picture be trimmed. So now look at this. Actually, look at this board. If I have a picture of this board size, okay, and we have to put it in a frame which is just up to this point, okay, and this size, then we have to cut out or trim this board up to this length. Okay, we have to trim from here, then only we will place this board inside that frame. Okay, same condition is there in this question. We are given Sahil wants to put a picture. Sahil is given a picture, or Sahil wants to put a picture in a frame. The frame is, or the picture is 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter wide. The picture is what? 7 whole 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame. Okay. To fit in the frame. The picture cannot be more than 7 whole 3 by 10 centimeter wide. The picture cannot be more than 7 whole 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? How much should the picture be trimmed? Okay, so we have to subtract this length from, listen, actually picture is this much wide, the picture is this much wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than this one. So our frame is this much wide. This is the width of our frame. Okay, and this is the width of our picture. So we have, picture is more wide or wider than the frame, so we have to subtract this length which is of frame from this length. Okay, so what we'll get is 7 whole 3 by 5. We will subtract our 7 whole 3 by 10 from 7 whole 3 by 5. Then what we'll get is, listen, actually this is the actual meaning of this one is what? 7 plus 3 by 5. Okay, I am just enclosing this one in a bracket, minus the actual meaning of this one is what? This one is again 7 plus 3 by 5, 3 by 10. Okay, now whenever we will open this bracket, these two brackets, then here we are seeing here is a positive sign, so this bracket will be opened easily. This is 7 plus 3 by 5. Now this is what? This is r. Here we are given a minus sign. Then when we will open this bracket, then signs of every term will be changed. So sign of this term is positive, and when we will multiply by a negative, sign will be negative. This is minus 7. And when we will go for the next term, this is positive. When we will multiply by a minus, this will be a negative. So this is minus 3 by 10. Now minus 7 is cancelled by plus 7. What you will get is 3 by 5 minus 3 by 10. LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Now when we will divide our 10 by 5, 5 to the 10, 10 multiplied with 3 is 6, minus 10 divided by 10 is 1, 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. So this is 6 minus 3 is 3 upon 10 is our answer. Okay, this much is the length which should be trimmed for putting our picture inside our given frame. If Sahil wants to put the given picture in the given frame, then he has to trim the length of the picture by 3 by 10 centimeters. I hope you all got it. Okay. Our next problem is what? Our next question is, question number 7, which is now we will go for our question number 7th, which is Ritu ate 3 by 5th part of an apple. What is our question number 7th? Question number 7th is Ritu ate 3 by 5th part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by and the remaining apple was eaten by and the remaining apple was eaten by her. And the remaining apple was eaten by by her brother Somu. Eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? How much part of the apple how much part of the apple did Somu eat? Did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? 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 By how much? Who had the larger share? By how much? By how much? By how much? Okay, so let us start with our question number 7th, which is Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? Okay, so what we'll see is this one only. Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. Okay, so Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. Okay, so first we have to find out what part or which part was eaten by Somu. Okay, so just write down this one. Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Okay, so first we have to find out the part which was eaten by who? Somu. Okay, so Somu's part equals to, actually apple was one only, so we will subtract the part eaten by Ritu from 1, then we will get the part eaten by Somu, which is Somu's part is 1 minus 3/5. Okay, which is equals to, our LCM is 5 बन गया 5 minus 3/5 is 2/5. So part eaten by Somu is 2/5. Okay, now so we have find out the part eaten by Somu. Okay, now our question, what our extended part of our question is, how much part of apple did Somu eat? So Somu's part is 2/5. Got it? This 2/5 is the solution of this line. Okay, now who had the larger share and by how much? Okay, here we are seeing Ritu's part is 3/5 and Somu's part is 2/5. When denominator is same, then numerator declares which one is greater. So our first fraction is 3/5, second fraction is 2/5. 3 is a larger number than 2, hence 3/5 is greater. So Ritu's part is greater. Okay, so no doubt Ritu's part is greater. Now by how much? So we have to subtract this fraction from this fraction. So Ritu's part is greater than Somu's part by Somu's part equals to 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 equals to 1 by 5. Okay, this is equals to 1 by 5. Okay, so that's all. We will take our next question in our next video. Till then, bye bye. You have to solve these all questions. First, we have to write down them on your rough notebook. After that, you have to note down them on your fair notebook. We will check whenever you will come to school. Okay, till then, bye bye.